Thank you, Reese. I will now turn it over to Bill O'Hara, Vice President and General Manager of Media Services at Intelsat, who will provide a futuristic look into the media industry, including the discussion of monetization opportunities and new integrations such as cloud and IP that will be available for programmers to take advantage of.
Good day, everyone. I'm really very pleased to be with you, even virtually. I look forward to the time that we can all sit together and discuss content distribution and monetization in person, but very pleased to be here. I've been asked today to give some comments on looking forward in the media industry, a topic I spend a lot of time thinking about and working towards here at Intelsat. But I think it's also notable to make sure that the future is put in the proper context of the present. In other words, how do growth opportunities that we see, such as OTT distribution and advertising, compare in the context of monetization of the core pay TV ecosystem? How do we make sure that we are capturing the full opportunity offered by the present, but also prepare for the future? This is principally what I'd like to chat about today. Many of you know us at Intelsat as the leaders in global content distribution. I'd like to reframe that today a little bit as being the leaders in global content monetization. We want to partner with each and every one of you to maximize this. First, as I mentioned, I think context is absolutely paramount. According to Data Access, the revenue derived from the global core pay TV market, which I define as cable distribution, IPTV, DTH, DTT, is around $170 billion annually, which comes from a total subscriber pool of around 1 billion. So some back of the envelope math would tell you that every subscriber is being monetized over the course of the year to the tune of about $170. Today, the global OTT market is actually only about 10 billion compared to the 170 billion of the core pay TV market. So 1/17, if you will, much smaller. Looking regionally in Europe and Africa, this also proves true. In Africa, core pay TV yields significant revenues of around $2.9 billion a year, while OTT is still very, very small at around $14 million in revenue. In other words, the total OTT opportunity in Africa is only 4.5% of the core pay TV opportunity. Perhaps even more interestingly is that while OTT is projected to grow to a $44 million market in 2025, the pay TV industry, the core pay TV market, grows just in kind. And largely that growth is tremendously similar in Europe. It's a very interesting picture when you juxtapose the core pay TV revenues and the OTT revenues. The OTT revenues are a mere 6% of the size of the core pay TV revenue in 2020. And again, while OTT is projected to grow in Europe, portions of the core pay TV ecosystem, especially IPTV, are also expecting to grow, largely matching that growth. But I think that this shows, and the reason why I wanted to show the juxtaposition between the two different types of market, the core pay TV and the OTT markets, is that if you optimize your core pay TV distribution to maximize distribution and monetization in this massive and stable market, the revenue opportunity for your content is actually much more significant than capturing a larger share of a much smaller OTT market. The total opportunity is just so much larger in traditional pay TV. And this is what we specialize in. We are the undisputed leaders in distributing content to the core pay TV ecosystem. No one reaches the global cable TV footprint around the globe in North America, Latin America, Central and Eastern Europe, Asia Pacific, that we do. And frankly, no one really even comes close. Our DTH reach is also tremendous, with leading platforms in Africa, Latin America, Europe, Russia, and Asia Pacific. And we've also invested heavily in better understanding the free-to-air viewership that is symbiotic with our DTH platforms as a better way to provide value to our customers. As we'll discuss a bit later, the free-to-air neighborhoods have proven to have a large and significant viewership, especially on IS-20 in Africa, not just in South Africa, but across sub-Saharan Africa. We've put a huge amount of work into understanding how large this viewership is to better assist our customers in monetization. In totality, this is a vast global monetization opportunity. And I encourage everyone to consider how we can partner together better with you to truly bring your content global, not just to DTH or free-to-air, but also to cable systems, to IPTV systems, and all across the globe. Now, all this said, juxtaposing the traditional core pay TV market opportunity in OTT, we continue to have an eye towards the future, especially when it comes to how we best serve our customers. As an example, we've partnered with Microsoft Azure to bring cloud services on net to our connectivity, and we expect to deepen our relationship with other cloud service providers in the near future, including those that provide many media services. We think that this is a natural fit for our customers. Additionally, we're launching new managed platforms on our key neighborhoods with internet contribution enabled, making it easier than ever to distribute content on our very valuable monetization platforms. In sum, we want to provide the most effective way to capture the massive core pay TV market for our customers, while also having an eye towards the workflows and distribution paths of the future. Thanks again for your time and attention. We look forward to deepening our partnership with each and every one of you, and thank you very much.